What a beautiful morning!
Let's go find some yummy fruits.
Yay! I'm coming too! Coming too!
Whoa! It's so slippery! Hold my paw, Danny! Got you! Wow! Look at those apples! They're glowing!
Ooh, I want to taste one. My.
The wind's too strong! Hold on, Danny! I can't see anything!
Stay close, both of you. I'll cover you. I'll cover you.
We just have to stay together! That's what friends do! There! Warm and cold! True friendship warms even the coldest winter.